If you're facing the dreaded Regulation.bin Merge Failed error in Elden Ring Mod Engine 2, stopping your Clever Moveset Modpack in its tracks, this video has the instant fixes you need. First, let's tackle Method 1, cleaning Mod Engine 2 files. Head to your Mod Engine 2 folder, delete any old Regulation.bin backups, and remove any recently added mod files that might be causing a conflict. Clearing the cache helps remove corrupt temporary data. Restart your system, then try merging again. If that first step doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in system permissions or corrupted game data, which brings us to Method 2, verifying game file integrity. Open Steam, find Elden Ring, and use the Verify Integrity of Game Files option. This checks for any damaged game files and repairs them automatically. Still stuck? Often system permissions are the culprit. Method 3 is to run Mod Engine 2 as an administrator. Simply right-click the Mod Engine 2 executable, select Run as Administrator, and confirm. This grants the necessary access to modify game files. When all else fails, a clean slate is the most reliable solution. Method 4, reinstall your modpack correctly. Back up your Elden Ring saves and install Mod Engine 2 and delete all associated mod files. Then re-download Mod Engine 2 and your Clever Moveset Modpack, following their installation guides precisely. One of these methods will get your Elden Ring modding experience back on track, ensuring smooth gameplay with your custom movesets.